What I tell every client is that for local SEO, the questions you want to answer are what do you do and where do you do it?
Yeah.
And every pin answers those two questions.
What do you do and where do you do it? And put it in a similar category so that it's easily digested by the algorithm and the user.
Right.
Water heater to water heater, drain to drain, front yard line leak page, pumps to pump. And then if that stuff happens, that's a good user experience. You cannot come in here and ignore this. Whether you think we're right or wrong, we're right. And we've done it for 15 years. We own a software company to help with it.
Not to sound too cocky, but it's really not an opinion.
We're not asking you, and we're not giving an opinion on it. We've done this a long time. If most people come in and take a bad website, can you take my bad website and make Google love it? No, we can't. Can't do that, and it's part of the brand. And so if it's a bad user experience and you give good signaling, that's why none of your other stuff works in the first place.
Right.
So everything gets done and it all gets positioned. I like to say we get our hands dirty. People don't want to do this. They go, oh, yeah, we'll do the SEO on your bad website. We're so smart. We'll trick those 1,000 smartest people in the world at Google and their sentient AI bot that's running that almost took over the world a few months ago, but they stopped them. We're going to trick them. These guys out of my mom's basement, are going to handle it with a couple other dudes out of Fiverr, and we're going to kick in some Mumbai support. They'll work real hard for a little bit of money.
Yeah.
That stuff does not work well. And so you get a curated site, you treat your brand seriously, you get DataPins, you get your website redone, and you work on it every day on your digital brand. You hit them and hit them. About the only way you can send multiple signals every day, because we developed it, is DataPins.
Right.
And it's not cheating. You want to cheat and throw in links and you want to throw in blogs that nobody wants to read.
Blogs and yada, yada, yada.
Yeah.
I had the blogging conversation with a client last week. Long-term client wanted us to start blogging. And I had to explain why it was a bad idea.
Yeah. Because they heard they should blog.
Yeah. He saw a 10-year-old article that talked about the importance of blogging. And I said, yeah, that article is from 10 years ago. And it literally was. It was an article from 2015.
That is why I gave you 4 articles to train a new person on the concept of SEO instead of letting them loose on YouTube to figure out SEO.
Yeah.
We don't remove videos that we did 5-6 years ago because they get traction on YouTube. But it's not the same SEO.
Right.
So, guys, if you need any help, I wanted to tell you this. It's been almost 15 years now. We've got videos you can watch. We've got video version of these. You can go to Spotify, Apple to watch podcasting. We've got a Google account, high rankings, good rankings from clients and testimonials. There's just all kinds of data out there for Plumbing Webmasters. We own DataPins. And when you're ready, give us a call. We'd love to help you get dominant like we have with so many plumbers for so many years now.